What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Tonic fam, Crow fam, I am back with another video for you guys. In this video, Tonic fam, we got some great news, man. We got some great news for the overall markets, and we got some great news for Tonic, because guess what? Tonic is not a security, it's a commodity, right? The SEC ain't gonna crack down on this one. The SEC will not crack down on this project, fully decentralized project. And that's what we love to see. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Share the video out with the rest of the Tonic community. Support my previous Tonic videos. I'd appreciate any support you guys can give. Now we take a look at Tonic for today. We're sitting at $34 million in market cap, 81K in 24-hour trade volume, with 30,700 people on the Tonic watch list. Half the supply is circulating, which is nice stuff. And on the 7-day and the 1 month, we could potentially be seeing a bounce and recovery for the markets eventually the FUD is gonna fade, and we could potentially be seeing bounces in the markets. Crow is making a nice little move. Tonic is following as well. And like I said, it's only a matter of time for Tonic to get some exchange listings, man. Crypto King, I'm bullish on Tonic. It's the best. Shout out to Crypto King. Davo, next crypto bounce back is gonna be huge for those of us who are brave enough to ride out this bearish storm. Shout out to Crypto King, Davo, and Crypto Cowboy. The bears are upset. I don't know why it's so hard for the bears to hold. They got bearish people in the project, but the project is trading in my opinion great, because it's accumulating. It's not dumping, right? It's not pumping, it's accumulating. Eventually there'll be a move, just like we saw back here. Eventually there was a move, right? This was December. Eventually there'll be a move for Tonic, just like we saw in December, right? Eventually we'll see a pump. But let the project accumulate. Like, you're not losing money in an accumulation phase. You're just getting minor swings to the up and downside, -2, 5%, up 5%, just minor swings. So I don't understand, man. I don't get it. But yeah, man, when the market gets more bullish, things start to turn around. We see Crow exploding, Chronos exploding. We can see Tonic start to explode as well. From Agent 00, shout outs to Agent 00, still pushing it. I really hope y'all scoot up some Tonic and Crow. Crow has been slowly building up since it hit that bottom. I don't think it'll fall again, and I agree with Agent 00, man. I don't think it'll fall again, because we're in this range. We're just gonna stay in this range, man. Don't think Tonic is gonna go back down to 10 million market cap. I wish I could have seen the market cap, but I swear, when I was covering it back sometime, months ago, it made a 3x move, right? It made a 3x move all the way up here, man, and it absolutely exploded, man. Right? 200% move, insane. You ain't getting that in the stock market, that's for sure. And yeah, I think we're just gonna stay in this range, man. The 30 million market cap range until catalyst, until market gets bullish, right? Stress-free world. Tonic, if you have 3 billion Tonic and we drop three zeros, that's 1.5 million. Life-changing endeavors indeed. Whoa, what? Three zeros being eaten, and then boom, you got $1 million. 3 zeros eaten, and then we got $1 million. What the heck? What the heckles? Absolutely insane, guys. Crazy stuff, man. Crypto. And that's the thing, you can't rule it out, because this is crypto. Look at what Pepe did. I don't care, man. Look at what Pepe did. 1.7 billion in 2 weeks. Okay? Don't tell me, oh, that can't happen, man. Don't tell me that can't happen. Look at what Pepe did. 1.7 billion market cap in 2 weeks, bro. 2 weeks. Don't tell me something is impossible in crypto. I don't want to hear it. Over the next few months, Tectonic will be launching the first free tools in leverage management series, repay with collateral, collateral swap, and long and short. We covered that, man. Leverage protocol on the Tectonic ecosystem will generate funds for the company, the brand, and then they could use that funds for all types of different things to develop the project, market the project, exchange listings, buybacks and burns, all of that stuff, man, because the project is keeps developing and fleshing out its use case and utility. From Hypo Crypto C finally reached 1.18 billion Tonic, locked away for 48 months. Congrats, man. Congrats, Hypo Crypto. 1.1 bill Tonic. That's a great bag. That's a great bag. I'm telling you. You know, 1 billion to 10 bill Tonic, that's all you need. 1 bill to 10 bill, that's all you need, man. As China is testing crypto exchange in Hong Kong, as China is testing crypto in Hong Kong, China Bitcoin unban could potentially push 1.4 billion people in the crypto. Remember, guys, China has banned Bitcoin. In China, crypto is banned. With Hong Kong aiming to become the crypto hub of the world, China could unban crypto, Bitcoin, and be the leading development, or be the leading innovators for that space, for the space. America, they're gonna lose out. This is how China is gonna win against America. If they develop and become the leaders of crypto, and America with the SEC and all that FUD is you know, making everything go backwards in America when it comes to crypto and the innovation it brings, this is where China could potentially win against America, right? Against the US, because they could be the leaders in the innovation for crypto. And that, remember, what takes countries to become global powerhouses, global economic powerhouses? Technology does. That's what does it. Technology does. And you know, a lot of people fade this technology that is crypto and blockchain, but China, Hong Kong, they're not fading it. And that could be, you know, that could be what sends us, you know, in the future as well. If you know, the US and America is blocking people from getting into crypto, China with its 1.4 billion population gets into crypto. Crazy numbers. just think about it. Just crazy numbers. That's 20% of the population. 20% of the population gets into crypto from China, man. Just think about that, y'all. I could only imagine where Tonic would be at. No, you never know if the Chinese people fall in love with the DeFi protocols of Tonic as well. So you never know, man. I'm telling you, don't rule out any possibility. Thank y'all so much for watching. Once again, I appreciate all the support. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I also have a Patreon, guys. Become a Patreon for access to my private Discord. If you just want to support the channel also, right? Access to the private Discord, exclusive early content. Also, if you become my if you sign up to the Crypto Elite tier, you get access to my buy alerts, sell alerts, so we could try to flip projects together to get, you know, more Tonic, right? Get our bags more packed, right? Thank y'all so much for watching once again. Tonic fam, Crow fam, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.